Today, Klebby, my man, how are you? Today's gonna be a little bit weird. We're gonna go meet a subscriber at the Trabuco General Store at 4 o'clock. I know his name and I know his email address.
What's his name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed.
I've also given him the green light to take us to any restaurant that he wants to take us to as long as he pays. So who knows where we wind up.
Let's go.
Yeah, we're meeting up with a dude. I don't know anything about him. It's kind of exciting, actually. Whoa, what's happening out there? Should we go back? There's a bunch of people back there. I want to know why. Orange County Bird of Prey Center. Oh, they don't like us at all.
What are you doing? What's wrong?
Did you see the eagle?
Oh, is that what they were looking at?
Yeah.
Oh.
And when we rolled up, it flew away.
Wait, really?
And then the whole crowd turned around and looked at us.
Wait, we just made the eagle fly away?
I think so. So I didn't know what to do and I just came over here. Oh, you're getting the roost. I know none of that's gonna come out good on camera, but we totally screwed them all up. There's a lot of people interested in birds. Have you ever been to a monastery before?
Yeah, I'm actually part monk. Dude, there's a guy up there. Look. He's gonna eat us.
Think he eats pork? This is the quiet room. Shh. You got to put your shoe entering the shrine.
Dude, I've heard about those rooms before. Like, I've never actually experienced it myself. But... All right, Denny's, what'd you think?
So what is it? Ahmed?
Yeah.
I said that right?
Not really. I don't think any of you
Say it
the right way.
I bet he can.
It's Ahmed.
Yep, he got it. You said it right.
Ahmed. Not even close. What do you mean?
Oh.
Alright. Do you know, have you been there before?
I don't even know where we're going. You never told me where we're going.
I did in the email.
No, you didn't. You just said a rib place.
I can't read. Come on.
I don't think I've ever had
It's
one.
the place is literally called Rib Joint.
Oh.
Because you know, I'm not from here. So I might need you guys to lead the way.
Okay. We gotta go see Bob. I'm gonna call you Mr. A.
That works.
What's up, Bob? What do we got? Bob's running dry. How about his cock?
Time for you to
Dude, what the hell, Bob?
Bob's stingy bitch today.
Serious, Bob? Looks like it hurt. Ooh,
I'm gonna give you a sticker though, Bob.
broke his neck.
Oh, we got stuff?
There it is.
Okay. Bob does got stuff. Try Chilo's Mexican Grill. Exclusive restaurants, all kinds of stuff here. Oktoberfest.
What do we do?
We go there and get drunk. At the rib joint. You come all the way up from Ontario. You're going to take us to eat ribs?
Fuck yeah.
You don't even know about this place whatsoever. You just picked a dart, threw it in a map.
Nah, but the reviews are alright.
The reviews are all right. All right, Dana Point. Food, ribs. I haven't had ribs in a long time. The rib joint. All right. Got me. I don't know who won. Mr. A says he's all the way from Ontario, Canada. It's a long way from home, man. I don't blame him coming out here. Probably snowing where he's at. Seafoam Prius and another Seafoam Prius. Two of those bastards in a row. All right, quarter mile, destination on the right. If I only knew how long a quarter mile was. I think it's that building right there with the heart on it. Live music tonight.
All right, Willie's Garden. Let's eat.
That was a good spot, dude. I didn't have high hopes.
Honestly, when we walked in, I didn't have high hopes either.
Yeah.
But the food delivered, man.
I liked it, man. The whole atmosphere is pretty good. What about you, sir?
I thought it was vegetarian the year I was born.
You're headed back to Canada, home of poutine and hockey pucks.
Cold.
Well, I'm glad we crossed paths.
Yeah, man. It was nice meeting
I do appreciate the dinner.
Thanks, man.
It was really good. Thanks for meeting up, man. Thanks for watching and all that stuff. It's all pretty fun.
Hopefully I'll catch you guys later, man.
I'm glad that you're a part of this, man. I can't wait for you to see the finished project.
I look forward to it.
Always good time meeting up with the subscribers, man. You guys are great. I love you. You already know that. So let's give a little bit more love to the patrons of the channel. Thank you guys so much. You keep me motivated. Couldn't do it without you. Wouldn't want to. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. Lots of dysfunction over there. Let's not forget, support the channel partners, law offices of Henry Haddad, Chaparral Moto, LUIMOTO, Voss Helmets. With that, I'll catch you guys later. You okay? Remember the last time you did that? You had a bunch of ants and thorns on you? Yeah. I feel bad for you. You're going to get Lyme disease. You're going to have the ticks.
The year I was born.
You're going to have a nervous tick.
That's also the year.
Ghostbusters. Is that Seafoam? Silver. Yay, Prius.